welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to poke someone on your Facebook. If you want to poke someone on your Facebook, first of all go into your Facebook account and open it. Just click on the app and open it. Now you have to poke someone. If you want to poke someone in previous version of Facebook, poking someone is very easy, but here you have to just search the poke. Write poke in the search box, poke, and now click. Now search. Now here you will see first option pokes in your Facebook shortcuts. Now click on the pokes. Now here you will see the person who you poke and whom you want to poke. So if you want to poke someone, just write the name of that friend and poke him like this. If I want to poke my friend, one of my friends, Satin, so if I want to poke him, just click on the poke. So after clicking on the poke, I have poked him. So like this you can poke someone on your Facebook. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.